Gyro's running really good. It's got a lot more pep, but it is dark out and it's getting a little bit colder out where I live in Washington, even though the spring is coming. So this will be the probably the last video I make on the gyro. I cleaned up the flywheel stator. It's got a lot more power, a lot more juice. Still having a small idle problem. That could be just being an old carburetor, or they've got really weird adjustments on them. So this is from my records as far as taking the gyro side apart of the wheels off and change things around, and I'm glad I did it. Now when I go to build this other bike here, what I do is, if I have a problem or I need to think about something on this bike, I'll take out my stock Zuma, or I'll take out my stock gyro, and I'll just go for a ride and think about it, and it's therapy for me. So anyway, if any of you people are out there that have a gyro and you have little problems, I've been through a lot of them as far as superficially. The problem is that once something major breaks on this bike, it's going to be very hard for me to get it working again. There simply are no parts available through Bike Bandit, through anywhere. The axle links that are underneath, it has a weird 2-speed Sun gear liquid clutch. I still don't know how it works, but there are no parts for it. I think the only thing I can get is I can get handlebar grips, which I think I'll get just in case, and I can get a little plastic ring around the gas filler cap. So that's it for the gyro, and I hope you like this series. Now it's on to 100% onto the Repsol RR50 with that monster huge stroker engine in it. Alright, thanks for watching. This is RH, DIOSpeedDEMON. Rock on.